So for today's video guys, samahan nyo nga pala ako sa kabilang isla. Pero bago nito, ako nga pala si Shiro. So guys, dahil nga first time kong mag voice over vlog, kaya pasensya na kayo sa mga udal-udal ko. So sumakay nga pala tayo ng bangka guys. So kung makikita nyo yung bridge guys, Rama Bridge yan guys. Tapos ito, Chao Phraya River. So guys, galing nga pala ako ng Ratburana, pero pupunta ako ng Puchao sa Mingpray. Dito lang yun sa kabilang isla guys. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako. So yun nga, pagdaong nga ho ng bangka guys, ako'y kumain muna din eh. And you know guys, why Thailand is the most visited country? Because of the people, culture, and especially the food. Oh, diba guys? Kita nyo yun? And Thailand is used to be called Siam. It's a country on Indo-Chinese Peninsula, and it shares borders with 4 nations, which is Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and Malaysia. Now guys, aside from khao soi, this noodles is, I think it might actually be one of the most popular types of noodles can eat in all of Thailand, in Bangkok, especially in breakfast and lunch. Tawag pala sa noodles na to ay quick tiao kai pala guys, and it's basically a chicken noodles with bitter gourd or ampalaya, paa ng manok. Yun guys, yung ampalaya nga pala guys, optional lang yan, tsaka nilagyan ko lang siya dyan ng sili na may suka, parang partner kasi siya ng noodles guys eh. Mana natin to. Ako kasi guys, alam nyo, mahilig talaga ako sa noodles, pero hindi mga instant noodles guys ha. Alam niyo na yun, you know what I mean guys. Tsaka nga pala guys, palagi kayong magpapasalamat bago kayo kumain sa mga biyaya, sa pagkabay. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung palagi, mahalaga yun. Amen. And I swear guys, delicious food is always look like this. Guys, ang sarap nito. Eat where locals eat. And you know guys, the reason why I'm doing this kasi simple lang. Sa paraan lang to natin pwedeng balikan lahat. And sometimes we are afraid of what other people think about us or say about us. And one thing I learned from Anthony Bourdain, and I'm sure everybody knows him, and when he do one advice for everybody is to move. Get out there and move. Go see the world for yourself. Huwag tayong matakot magkamali, huwag kayong matakot magkamali, agahan yung magkamali para maaga kayong matuto. Pero guys, kung sino mong nakikinig dito, nakakapanood, may mga pagkakamali na hindi na pwedeng bawiin. Hindi na natin pwedeng balikan yung mga desisyon natin. Kaya dapat maging wise tayo, maging matalino tayo sa mga desisyon natin, because the world will break our heart and put it back together again. It will challenge everything we thought we knew. It will make us care more deeply, laugh harder, and realize how small we are in the best way possible. Kasi life isn't meant to be lived standing still. So move, always move. As long as you move, you will change everything. But most importantly is be humble and be grateful. So sa lahat ng mga kabataan katulad ko, palagi tayong susubukin ng panahon, ngunit hindi para sumuko, kundi para mas magpatuloy. At wag nating kakalimutan yung mga taong hindi tayo tinalikuran sa mga panahon na tinalikuran tayo ng lahat. Yun lang, God bless and keep safe everyone. To God be all the glory.